If you want to make a heart chocolate truffle sugar cookie, you've come to the right place. We're going to make it two ways, but I'm only going to show you one because I'm a cheapskate in my video recording. It's not really the case, I just only recorded one. So we're going to do a milk chocolate and you're going to do a dark chocolate version as well. Unless you hate dark chocolate, then don't do it. Anywho, we're going to start by outlining the cookie. This is just a royal icing that was flavored, yes, with an orange extract that I added via my normal recipe, but also with cocoa powder. So that's what gives it a chocolate flavor. That's what gives it the brown color. Because here at Iced.Kitchen, I like to use very basic primary colors in figuring out cookie colors, and it's really hard to make brown out of primary colors. Drop it in the comments if you know how to do that. I have not figured it out. But what it's really easy to do is to add cocoa powder to make it brown, because it's already brown. So made the outline, filled it in. Now I'm coming in with my scribe. The funny thing about this milk chocolate royal icing is it is both thicker and thinner than you think it will be. And right now, as I'm doing, moving it around with my scribe, I'm thinking, wow, that worked out so well. And then I think, oh shoot, it's flowing over. And I take my scribe, which for me is just a metal stick. I didn't use a scribe for years. I just used toothpicks. So if you have a toothpick, perfect, you can do this. I'm just scraping it on the side, and this is all real time. I didn't speed it up or anything like that. I'm scraping it. It's kind of collecting on my scribe, and then I'm wiping it off on a paper towel. Highly recommend always having a paper towel when you decorate cookies because you're gonna have things you need to wipe off. And then I'm just shoving my icing a little bit into the center so it's not as heavy on the sides. Then you think, great, that should work out well. It might. I might keep scraping the sides. I'm just trying to make it nice and flat. And so I'm getting that done. Once it's configured however you want it to be when it looks good to you, you're going to come in with your red and you're just going to pipe a small heart in the middle. And it doesn't need to be perfect. You can see mine is like wonky on one side, so I'm just going to come back and correct it. I would just recommend you not fall for like the eyeliner problem where it's not perfectly even and so you keep making it bigger and bigger and bigger. This is food. It's fine if it doesn't look perfect. You're gonna fill it in, and if you've lost the little like dent at the top and the sharp bottom of your heart, that's okay because we're gonna come in with the scribe and put those back in. So I'm just shoving a little bit of icing down to get that nice sharp point, and then I'm wiping off my scribe and coming in from the top and just dragging down a little bit to get a defined like section between my heart humps. And that leaves us with a gorgeous heart chocolate truffle sugar cookie. Try and make the rest of the set. Don't try, just go do it. Have a fun time.